Okay, so we've created our Workstop body. Now we need to make the slots into the end of the part. So let's go to the top view, normal to that view, and we can draw some of our geometry. So if we go to hidden view, then we can see our lines. Now we can create a new sketch. And we'll sketch on the top plane. So that's okay. And we will create, I believe this line here is the bottom of the arc on the bottom side of the part. So we will create a line there. And an arc. And a line. And a line. Stop making our lines. Let's get a dimension on here. This is supposed to be 0.39 divided by 2 is the radius. And this dimension we can make any, I think probably 0.4 is enough. And let's get the center of this arc locked onto our origin. No. Come on. Oh, maybe it already is. No, it's not. So I want to make that and the origin coincident. Or no, don't like that. It's not what I want. Let's move that down. We want this and the origin coincident. Now we've got our geometry drawn for the bottom. Now we can mirror image that to the other end of the part, mirror those entities to mirror. So let's just select all of those. Mirror about. I need to find the center line of our part here. I believe it's this line here is the center. And we're good there. So now we've got geometry on both ends. So we can go to features, extrude cut. So we only want to select one of those. That one. And we'll go to surface. There. That should do it. So we've got that one. So you can see when we, oops, make it solid now, you'll be able to see that we've got that cut through. Looks good. So now we just need to do an extrude cut on the other end. Oh, we need to just share that sketch, I think. And that one we want to go to surface again, and we will go up here. Oops, flip side. Flip side up to, why is that not going there? There. Up to surface. There we go. Ooh. That's definitely not what we wanted. Edit. Maybe not flip side. There we go. So now we've got our slots on both ends. Looks good. So now we need to create the slot on the end of our part. So again, we can, or now we can create a plane that's perpendicular to the end of the part here. Or let's see what we got for planes here. We've got this plane, right plane. We'll create a plane then that is parallel to our right plane, and we are going to go flip the offset. We're going to go to that way, and we will go 0.938 because that's the radius of our body. We've done that. That looks great. So now if we go normal to that view, oh, I want to be looking at the other end, sorry. Not that it really matters that much. Now I want to create a sketch here. Again, I'm going to go to a wireframe view so I can see. And let's sketch. So this one, we need to go, we are going to go make it parallel with this line. So if we go there, make sure we're at 90 degrees and go to there. That's okay. Smart dimension. This is 0.39 divided by 2. That's our radius. We want the center of our radius locked onto our origin. And then if we give it this a dimension, any dimension, why is it not giving me a smart dimension? There we go. Let's just make it 1 inch, as long as it's higher than the part. And again, we want to go extrude cut. Now we can have a look. See, it's going the wrong way. So we want to go the other direction. And we want to go up to that point. Oh, selected contours. Sure, let's do that. There's our contour. And where do we want it to go? We want it to go depth-wise. We want it to go to that line. Oh, 0.938, right? 0.938. Not 1 point. 0.938. So if you have a look at this now, we are getting much closer. Now we've got a square slot there. We just need to put a radius in there. That's an easy one to do. Let's mirror image this slot to the other, or our geometry to the other end. Will that work? No, we have to create a plane on the other end and do the same thing. So before I do that then, while I'm here, I am going to go fillet. It's 0.39 divided by 2. Circular. Doing there. And there. And we've got it. So we've got that section. So now we just need to do the same thing on the other end. So we will create a new plane. Use that as our reference. Go the full length of the part, which is 4.125 plus 2 times 0.938. And we're there. So now we can sketch on that plane. Again, we can go to wireframe so we can see maybe a little bit better what we're doing. Sketch. So now this time we are cutting on the bottom. So we are going to go there, down, across. Let's see what we got here. One inch was enough. Looks like where everything's good here, right? So let's have a look and make sure, measure. What is that radius? 0.195. Perfect. So now we want to go features, extrude cut. Again, we just need to check the direction. That's good. We want to go 0.938. What didn't it like? Oh, I see. See there, there's a double something there. So we're not quite there. Something wrong with our sketch. It's underdefined. Oh, I didn't notice that. Ah, silly little line there. And fully defined. So now we can go extrude cut. Selected contours right there, 938. Let's have a look at our solid model and see if we went the right direction. Looks good. We just need to create our fillet there, and you'll have it. Fillet 195 there and there. And we are there. Looks good. Save it, and away you go.